Joy to Southeast Asia. New Year for the Lahu. From Southeast Asia to the United States, Lahu people gather to celebrate New Year. The Lahu ancestors believed that one of the blessings would be bountiful if one danced joyously. When midnight strikes, the first day of the celebration begins, and the Lahu people wear traditional garments, signifying the tribe they belong to. The village leader will pick a pine tree as a centerpiece for the village. Each household will decorate a tree with pairs of handmade rice patties to thank God for their year's harvest. The secular rice patties represent the moon and the harmony of the Lahu people. The villages host each other in the fellowship with a ceremony of unique dances showcasing the Lahu lifestyle. The men begin with a dance while playing the god mouth organ. The women succeed the men dancing with elaborate footwork and playing percussive instruments such as the hand drums, cymbals, and gongs. On the last day, everyone goes to their own home village to celebrate the closing ceremony, where the elders give their final remarks and prayers. The pine tree is outside the village so it can decay back into the earth. The tree removal must be done in this manner, or it will bring bad luck or a curse.
Ngak ye